if you are thinking making money through ads is the correct way, no way! You are missing a lot. As today, I will show you the new way to maximize your mobile game revenue using my lead Offerwall. Imagine if you can increase your revenue while increasing gameplay time, which seems impossible because, gamers don't like ads and always quit when they appear. Well, you can do that with my lead Offerwall. Offerwall is otherwise known as the Wall of Offers, is like an advert form which allows users to complete tasks and take different actions in exchange for points, which can be exchanged for rewards depending on the user's preference. So instead of using video ads to make money from your game, you can offer tasks from Offerwall to your players, and the reward for that could be the premium currency that you sell in your game, like Epic's coins, V-Bucks or EA coins. Or they can claim gift cards, cash and other options. As a game developer, you earn money when your players complete tasks. It's an affiliate program, but if you are asking why would you do that? Because it's simply better in every aspect. Let me give you an example. Here we got a Harvest Land game. The task is about installing the game and reaching level 10 to unlock 33 points, which can be redeemed later in cash, gift cards and more. But I want to focus on in-game rewards. Think of it like a battle pass. Gamers can unlock new levels, characters or features within the game by completing tasks. This helps players progress through the game more quickly, providing a benefit for their efforts, which results in more gameplay time and gives developers like you the opportunity to monetize players who don't want to make in-app purchases. All they have to do is spend their time completing tasks from Offerwall. I never paid a single dollar into mobile games, but when I get an offer to spend time instead, I accepted that. So the main advantage of this, as a mobile game dev, you can monetize your game without asking players to buy things in the game, just asking for their time instead. So it's a win-win situation for both gamers and game devs. So let me show you how to register and use this tool. First thing, click on my affiliate link in the description, then start signing up. It's simply like any other website. Put your name, email and password, and the whole process does not take more than 2 minutes. Here you have to put your social media account and answer few more questions. For disclosure, this video is sponsored by my lead Offerwall, but I genuinely believe it's the new way to monetize your mobile game. As you can see, this is my lead's Offerwall. They informed me that they have professionals who have tested it for a long time. And actually, I see it has modern, simple design. The UX and UI are just something else. And by the way, it's available in a few languages like English, Spanish, Russian and Ukrainian. Not gonna lie, this Offerwall design is something unique compared to others. Now let's get to the important part. There are nearly 2600 campaigns and they will keep adding. They are divided into multiple types. You have full control on the type of campaigns and you simply put it in your game through this process. The tasks that players take are based on the game developer's choice. For example, if you have a mobile game, you can set up various tasks like completing a specific level, downloading a game, or spending a specific amount of money on a product or service. But if you don't want to bother with the task selection, just follow the recommended way, which is to leave that for the algorithm. It chooses the tasks based on many parameters to generate the highest revenue. Also, you can put your game in Offerwall as a campaign to market your game. The interface is pretty simple. I just went through each one and it's so easy to understand. If you have any problem though, or you need an assistance, you can chat with their dedicated team in chat support. Now let's see how it works in a specific example, to see if it's really worth it or not. This RPG game used my lead Offerwall. It has several types of in-game currencies, coins as a soft currency, and crystals, which is the hard currency that is usually sold for real money. It's important that the in-game currency used in Offerwall is truly valuable to the player and cannot be obtained except through real money. So they chose the crystals as a reward for task completion. It's worth mentioning that my lead's Offerwall allows you to give any name to the hard currency as well as upload your chosen logo. Anyway, Players buy crystals for real money and spend them on weapons and equipment for their characters or to upgrade their skills. As for My Leads Offerwall, it was placed in the Crystal Store. The Offerwall can be opened by clicking on the free button, framed by crystals. Additionally, prompts to use the Offerwall appeared during gameplay, specifically at times when the player needed hard currency to progress in quests. Of course, the location of Offerwall is very important. The wall should be placed where the player is most likely to interact. The best places are the homepage and the in-game store, where the most loyal players go to seek premium currency. If they realize they can invest their time in the game instead of paying real money, they may be willing to take advantage of this option. Oh, and of course, pop-up windows to remind players of the need for hard currency. For example, to go to a location on the map or to have a second life chance. Now let's see the numbers for a better idea. Games with Offerwall. 79% of players complete rewarded ads weekly and 41% complete rewarded ads daily. They embrace rewarded ads as a natural part of the game. This means high retention and engagement in the game and more in-app purchases. The proof of that, Offerwall gamers are 10x more likely to make in-app purchases. Also, 43% of mobile gamers say they have bought something they saw in a rewarded ad. And you know, advertisers are more likely to invest in ads that target highly engaged players, which means higher CPMs. Meaning, My Lead Offerwall leaves devs, gamers and advertisers satisfied. But in the end, it really depends on your traffic. So a quick tip is to share your app in different stores. The most beneficial approach for Offerwall are CPI offers with simple conversion and CPA offers where the target action is signing up. However, some of the most effective offers come from mobile games, especially those offering rewards for reaching various levels in the game. There are also two more types, SOI and DOI, where the player simply needs to provide their email. Basically, the wall contains tasks of varying difficulty levels and durations. I believe that Offerwall is the new path to mobile game monetization. This solution has a variety of positive influences, such as increasing earnings and other factors discussed before. The partner added as many different affiliate programs as possible, so that every user could find something for themselves. It's also worth mentioning that users quickly get used to ads, so it's important to always present them with the new tasks. In the case of My Leads Offerwall, new offers appear continuously, displayed randomly thanks to the algorithm. After implementing My Leads Offerwall in one of the partner's app, within only 3 months, the partner managed to earn $10,700 just through this tool. So what are you waiting for? Head to the link in the description and try it to yourself. Then tell me down in the comments about your experience. I bet you will end up satisfied.